The learning curve for a physician should be around 5 cases. As an interventional cardiologist, it was relatively easier for me to perform radial access interventions because of the experience we had gained from the coronary procedures. However, I feel somebody who has never done a radial access for peripheral intervention, after 10 cases, they would feel fairly comfortable. I would like to point out that at this time that somebody who's starting out to do radial access for peripheral intervention, we should pick and choose relatively less complicated cases, and maybe after 10 to 15 cases, when we are well versed with this access and techniques, should we go on for more complex interventions in the peripheral space.